The first project I would like to demonstrate is creating a background image with a gradient overlay and then using clip path to give them a shape. So this is how I set it up. I put it all in the header because this is a hero image and it has a height of 95 view height. So it takes up nearly the whole screen. And then I set this background image with a linear gradient, and it goes from the left top corner down to the right bottom corner, and it has a lighter green and then a darker green. And then next I set up this image, which is just from the file. And then I also set up a background size, which is cover, and that covers the entire header area. And then the background position is top, so that when you shrink your page or expand your page, the image is always clipped to the top of it. And then the next thing I did was set the clip path, and the clip path is set up to be a polygon, and it has these numbers here, which are XY values, coordinates, and the first one will be set at 0, 0, which is in the top left corner. This one is set at 100% and 0, which is in the top right corner. And this one is the bottom right corner, which is 100% over on the x-axis, and then 75 of the view height width down. And then this is the last corner, which is 0 in the x value, but 100% in the y value. And I'll show you what that looks like. As you can see, this creates a nice angled shape. So this next project is one that I chose myself. It's based on the church's website, and I used BEM to be able to create these components, and then used Flexbox and Grid in order to line them up. So I'll show you the code. So to begin with this project, I set it up using BEM principles in the HTML for naming the classes, and then I use those classes to style this section, all these components. And at first up here I put some CSS variables in the root element, and then I added styles in order to mimic those that I saw in the church's website. And for the layout, after I organized the containers, I laid it out with Flex, and I used justify content with a space between. But inside each of the sections, I also laid them out using Flex in a column, and I aligned things down the center. And I also used Flex to center the image. And then for the buttons, I used Grid because it allowed me to be able to line things up correctly where I wasn't able to get them lined up properly with Flexbox. So this was a fun project, and it's fun to choose your own, and I learned a lot by doing so. So I'm grateful for this opportunity. I had to learn more about CSS and both this project and many of the others. So thank you very much.